pizza? Maddie, where are you going?
I got pizza for you. I got pizza.
Come on, have a piece of pizza?
Yes.
You know, yep, ride Rhodey on over here. Put your hat back on. Thank you. How's the pizza?
Good.
Is it good? What's on your pizza? What's on top of it?
Fruit.
Fruit?
Yeah.
What kind of fruit?
Pineapple.
Pineapple? Mommy likes pineapple on her pizza too.
I'm gonna get my pizza real quick. Pineapple. Nope. I'm gonna get my pizza. Don't get my pizza. Here. Pineapple. Hey, don't get my wet.
Hey, Sassy Grass, that's not very nice.
Pineapple, Mama. I'm gonna get pizza with that. Pineapple. Here. It's more.
One's bouncing and one's rocking. What?
I want boat.
You want the boat?
Yeah.
Whose boat is that?
Mine.
No, that's Daddy's boat. You want me to get the boat?
Yeah.
How do you ask nicely?
Please.
Please what?
Get the boat.
Okay. Hi, Maddie. Does Rhodey have your hat on? Oh, that's cute. Look. See? Yes, there's Maddie and Rhodey. All right, let's go get the boat. Let's go get the boat. Can I reach it? Can I reach the boat? Oh, Jackson, I can't reach it.
Daddy!
I can't reach it.
Daddy! Daddy, do. Hey, what's that? Daddy,
But I got your rocking horse.
I got my rocking horse.
That's Jackson's rocking horse. Jackson, Christopher, put that back. Why did you move the rug? The rugs are there for a reason. Oh, you are so smart. Jackson, you are so smart. All right, you gonna bring it over? I'm watching out. You are so smart, so strong. No. Mommy will get up there and get it, okay? I don't want you to climb up there. No. Please get down and let Mommy get it. I said please very nicely. No, I'm not going to get hurt. You get down before you get hurt. I'll get it. Jackson, are we going to have a good day or a bad day?
Good day.
Okay, then let's make some good choices, okay? Okay. No. Roll over. Roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. There were four in the bed and the little one said, roll over. Roll over. Whoa, hi.
Yeah.
Mommy's tall.
Yeah.
Roll over. Roll over. So they all rolled over on one side. Okay, be very gentle with it, okay?
Here.